a digital Disney mystery box available for you right now. Please, please, please shop my links down below. When you shop those links, I will earn a small commission, and I greatly thank you in advance for that. It does help support the groups, the YouTube channel, and the website. So thank you in advance to all of my supporters. A couple of things. There are 4 image sets, 109 images in all. It is a Disney digital mystery box. There's nothing going to be shipped to you. It is an instant download. As soon as you make your purchase, you will find it in Designspace, and at the end of this video, I will show you how you will find those. It is available in the USA only because it is licensed Disney. It is not available in Canada. So come on over. Let's take a look. See what's in this mystery box. Hey guys, here we are, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to access your images. If you had Designspace open and you're not seeing your images once you made your purchase because it is a digital download, just close Designspace and open it back up, and then you should be able to find them without any issues. And you're going to click on Images. And then you're going to click on Category, All Images, and then Image Sets. And then I like to go by ownership here and click on Purchased. And then type in the word Disney. And we're just going to search. And then it's going to pull up all my Disney image sets. So let's go ahead and take a look. Here is one of them that is in this mystery box. And it is Kind Spirit. There are 16 images in here. I really, really, really love the vintage feel of this. Love that Minnie Mouse bow and Goofy. And Pluto's up here. How super cute is this? Really, really loving this one. So 16 images in the Kind Spirit image set. And we're going to go back and let's just take a look. Here's the next one. Frozen Celebrations. There are 33 images in here. Love this. Some of these are print and cut. Some are cut. I really love this castle here. How cute is that? Love this one of Elsa. Lots of cute images in this one. Frozen Celebrations. And let's just hit our back button and keep looking. Let's see. Right here, Princess Abstract Faces, 40 images. Love this. Guys, you could set this to do some draw, or you could cut it for iron-on. This would be so super cute on the back of a phone, an Apple phone. How cute is that? Love, love, love. Oh, I like this one of Ariel too. Super cute. Love this one. And guys, you can go in and you can also change some of these. If you don't like the coloring on them, you can come in here and you can change that to be whatever you want. So if you wanted it to be purple, you can go in and change this up. Super fun, cute, 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 cute. Lots of stuff you can do on these. I'm just going to hit that back button, or let's see, go back to images. There we are. And we're going to hit back. And here is the other one in this. And I really love this one. I have to say is going to be my favorite because I just love Winnie the Pooh. 20 images in this one. But there's something special about this that I really like, and I'm going to point out to you guys. I really, really like this abstract Mickey ears. How cute is that? And again, just like the other one, you can change the colors if you don't like this vintage feel of these. You can change that. But I want to show you something about some of these draw images. So let's just click on that, and we're going to add that one to our canvas. Take a look here. What is going on here? Not only is it draw, but guys, take a look. It is a single line, continuous draw all the way through, one line. What that means is your pen's not going to jump up and down and have a start point and a stop point, start point, stop point. It's just going to do one continuous line. And I personally love that, especially when I'm foiling. How cute would that be as a foiled tag? I love it. Let's go back to images. Make sure that you guys take a good look at that cartridge. Again, 20 images on there. I have to say, I think that this Winnie the Pooh one here is my favorite. So cute on a onesie or a bib. Love. All right, guys, so jump over there, grab your mystery box. It'll be up for a couple of weeks. Once it's gone, it's gone. I will catch you on the next video. Happy crafting!